video I'm going to create a top-down survival game, and precisely a zombie survival game. And sorry for not posting video during all this time. So yeah, I don't plan to do too much. I just wanna make a simple zombie game. So no, let's make it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I put the link of the Twitter, Discord and WhatsApp in description. So yeah, let's go. First, I made this run engine like every time I make a game. I'm going to use this select system. And now, let me explain. I wanna make a simple survival game where you can top down trees to record resources, you can build with these resources, and yeah, many monsters attack you and you can kill them with your bow. Oh yeah, and I add this little hotbar. Yeah, this is probably useless, but I don't know, I just wanna add this. So yeah. Yeah, I really like how the game turned graphically, but now it's time to make the real game. This is the simple asset I'm gonna use to the game. Before I make the craft system, I wanna make enemy. And yeah, I just make a really simple enemy. I just follow you and yeah. Pretty cool. But now the most important thing I wanna add is build system. Yes, it is really important in the survival game.
Baba Bowie.
Yeah, I tried to fix this and no, it's, oh my god, it's worked. Oh my god, after spend 1 fucking hour to create this fucking build system. I added on health bar, on treating mechanics, and on load and save system. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And I'm really sorry for my bad English. Please give me your idea for the game in the comments. So yeah, goodbye.